Welcome to this website design and development course. In this video, I'm going to be talking about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Dreamweaver. At the end of this course takers will be able to create a fully functional website with the use of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. Course takers will also be able to create WordPress sites, blogs with the use of WordPress, and PHP scripting sites. So let's head over. First, we are going to talk about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements and different attributes and values describing these elements. HTML elements tells the browser how to display the content. So to further describe HTML, I'm going to show you a picture. This is a picture of an uncompleted building. As you can see, this picture already has a shape and form, which you can see is similar to what HTML does to a website. So to make this a complete building, we have to have add several add-ons like the CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. So let's move to the next one, CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed. CSS says a lot of words. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. What this sentence implies is that you can create a single CSS file and link it to multiple HTML web pages. External style sheets are stored in CSS file. .css is the file format for CSS. So to further describe CSS, I'm going to show you a picture. You can see at the left side we have HTML alone, picture of a girl not really looking beautiful, while on the other right side HTML plus CSS has added, this same girl has added several things to complement her beauty. So combination of HTML, CSS gives us styling to a website. Let's head over to JavaScript. JS stands for JavaScript. At most times you see JavaScript be written as JS. .js is the file format for JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting or programming language that allows you to implement complex features on web pages. JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. We make use of JavaScript for website and web applications. So to further describe JavaScript, I'm going to show you a picture. This is a picture of a door. A picture of a door in a building. If you look at this sophisticated door, well, whenever someone gets close, it opens and all that. So without this door, this building would still work well, but this door is giving it an extra advantages, making the building look more functional, which is similar to the way JavaScript behaves. So let's head over to Dreamweaver. After launching your Dreamweaver, you should get something similar to this. So depending on the version of Dreamweaver you are using, I'm going to click on File, New. I'll select HTML. I'll click on Create. I'm going to zoom this by pressing Ctrl+ so you can view what I'm doing better. As you can see, Dreamweaver by default added some content for me. Started the basic HTML structure. When we dive into HTML more, we are going to understand what all this means. But for now, I'm just going to go into the body tag and type in H1. I'm going to type in H1, which stands for headings 1. I'm going to type in my first website. I'm going to go to view live code. Yeah, and you can see we get the result immediately. To save this file, I'm going to head over to file. I'll click on save. I have to exit the live code first. Go back, click on save. Yeah, and I'll choose the desktop directory. I'm going to save this as index. I'm going to launch this with my Google Chrome, and voila, just got the results. Yeah, we just created our first website. In further videos, we're going to discuss more on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the rest.